Good evening, everyone. Recently, we built an application called StockUp, which is basically a trading application. So this application we made for pitching event, which was conducted by Innovation Cell and NITRR. So let's see our website. We made this website using MERN stack, but later using Cordova, we converted this website into an app, right? So that's why the UI is only responsive for mobile. Okay, so we will click on that button, get started, and then we have to sign in here. So this here we have to fill name and code, and this code was provided by our club members in that event. So here I have one code. So and here I have to write my name, right? And when I click on sign in, then it will just sign in to me. And here we have all the project ideas which came in that exhibition, which was conducted by our club innovation cell. Okay, so when we will, so here we have project ideas and we have assigned some kind of virtual stocks to those project ideas, and we have given a virtual currency kind of thing to all the audiences which came in that event. So here we have, like, currently I have a $935 in my account, right? So using this virtual currency, I can buy any stocks of any project ideas. So let's click on this project idea. Okay, so this is basically a chart where we are showing the total number of stocks which is bought by total number of users, right? Like for example, uh, here like at 720 I bought kind of $20 stock of the Steam Savior. So here the at 720 the total number of stock divided by total number of user is equal to 229.33. So let's say, and here I'll just buy kind of 50 stocks and I'll click on buy. So I bought 50 stocks, and the current total number of stocks divided by total number of users, which is nothing but average stocks bought by user, is nothing but 232.667. And here it is showing me time. And here you can see, like, this is showing me the remaining stocks of this Steam Savior. Like 6,000 stocks, 6,510 stocks remains. Okay, so this chart is basically I made using Charters library, and for real-time communication, I'm using Socket.io. And when I'll click on this carousel and I'll click on next page, so it will show me description of that project. Okay, so that was my first page. And okay, let's go to second page, which is nothing but audience ranking. In audience ranking, the audiences which came in that event, we are assigning some kind of rank to all those audiences, like according to what they buy. So in every portfolio, we predicted kind of in a year how many growth will be there in that startup. So based on that, we calculated kind of worth, like what will be the actual value of the users' money which they invested in that startup. So this is nothing but we are showing in ranking page. Next, we have participant summary. In participant summary, we are showing like how many stocks sold in every startup. Like for example, Team Savior sold 3,490 stocks, and similarly, Geekymatics, which is also a kind of a startup, like Project Ideas, which came in that exhibition, sold 3,550 stocks. So in this page, we are showing that. So this is a kind of tabular data. For this, we are using React table version 7, and this same data we are showing in this bar chart and donut chart. And next we have a user portfolio. So in user portfolio, we are showing like for which startup, how many stocks this particular user is buy. So currently I am the user, so I bought two stocks. I bought this 20 stocks of Alino, uh, this startup, and I bought this 95 stock of Team Savior. And similarly, this data I'm showing in this bar chart. Okay, so that was it about this application. Next, we have a logout button. Okay. Talking about the technology which we use to make this application. For front end, we use React.js, and for the backend part, we use Node.js, and to enable real-time communication, we use Socket.io. And to make the table, we use React Table Library version 7. And for charts, I use chart.js. And to convert this website into mobile application, we use Cordova. So this was all about this application.